What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 04 Mystichrome Cobra. Today we're going to be going over and installing our new trunk lid mat. All right, guys, so I am super excited about this mod. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while. Finally received it. Super happy that it's here. So without further ado, let's open it up and take a look at this bad boy. Here we have our new Mystichrome trunk lid mat from Grand Design Mats. I just got it in last week. Finally getting around to installing it. So I had ordered this from Grand Design Mat. I found him on Facebook and it is absolutely awesome. I got it in the Mystichrome with the plexiglass mirror backing, and I think it looks absolutely awesome. So normally how you would install this is, as you can see here, it has all of the holes pre-drilled, and then it comes with push pins with that same kind of carpet material over it. I didn't want to drill into the trunk lid yet without at least trying something else. So I went and picked up these 20-pound command hook Velcro strips from Walmart. I'm hoping that they're gonna work. So we're gonna try installing all of these on the mat, and then I'll use some adhesion promoter and we'll put it on the trunk lid. Hopefully this will hold it. If not, then we will have no choice but to drill, but I figured I would give it a chance first and we'll try to put these on. So without further ado, let's get in the trunk and get this bad boy stuck on there. All right, guys, so I got the 4 command hooks on. I do kind of wish I had a couple more to do the ends, but we'll see how this holds for now, because you only have select metal that's on the trunk to go off of. So as much as I'd like to get one right on the end, it's kind of tough because you can't really get any of this beveled or metal that's sticking out here in a real good spot to get the whole command hook. So I'm gonna try with what I have. If it is peeling off a little bit on the ends, and I'll try to get a couple more and we'll stick them where we need them. But so this is the underside of the trunk. So we're gonna have one here, and then I put one here and one there. So I used some 3M adhesion promoter to put on the back of this. Now we're gonna peel these off. I'll put some adhesion promoter on this as well for the trunk so that it'll hopefully help it stick, and we'll see if she holds. All right, guys, so here we have the finished product. Like I said, I just used the 4 command hooks, and you can see it's on there really nice. And we got it all lined up perfectly, and it looks absolutely killer. And it looks really good with our new trunk mat. And now we have the trunk lid to match, and it really looks good with the rear bumper letters, Terminator Cobra. So I will drop the link to his website below. If you guys have any questions, prices do vary on depending on the makeup that you want, but overall, very happy with the product. It looks absolutely awesome, really changes the whole look of the trunk. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below, and thanks for watching.